Hi, I'm Rhian Birch. I'm one of the mentors that's working for the Employability and Skills Fund. Martin came to us, he wanted to go into self-employment down his route. So what we've done is we've helped to signpost him to different other venues such as Careers Wales, where he's been able to access the help to set him on the start of that journey. While he's also running on that journey, what we've done is we've sourced courses that were particular for his needs, and we were able to line it up with them. So he's actually completed quite a few of those courses already, and he's got a couple more lined up ready to continue on his journey. Part of my role is to actually support the clients when they come in. So it is to meet and greet them, sort of get a basic for what they need, how we can help them as a support fund, what we can do to encourage them to help them along the way on their journey more than anything. It is such a hard process for them coming in from the transition fund and where they go in. So we will encourage them to look at different avenues, what training possibly we can offer them, and what barriers we can eliminate for them to actually get the out goal, which is for them to get a new job or, move on to a further career path. We've had a wide range of requests that are coming for all avenues of different training. It's anything from working in construction sites. We've actually had people who want to go and work in a fishery, so they're actually going into business and doing their own fishing trawling boat. We've had electricians. We then look at what we can use, what we can utilise the project for to get them to that end goal, and that is what we're aiming for, to help them reach their aspirations. So if anybody does reach out to us and would require some help, there are a few avenues they can go down to. There is an online portal they can register with. It is on the MPT website, so they can go on there, look for the Tata Steel Fund, and they can find the link on that page. And also they can call into our two hubs, which are based in our Brabham Shopping Centre, which is in the Opportunity Hub, which is manned by a mentor every single day, and the Community Hub, which is the other side of the shopping centre, and there's also a mentor. You can just pop into us, come and speak to us. We will get you registered, we will take the details, and we will organise a one-to-one meeting to suit your time. We will work around you. We're so flexible and welcoming, so please, if anybody's out there that needs our help, please come in and reach out to us. We are more than happy to support you.